it's electric, so I didn't hear you coming. Is that electric?
Yeah, you won't hear me coming.
Shit.
Hello.
What's the top speed of that?
40
Oh, really?
ish. Hello.
Wow.
I smell of dog.
Yeah.
Takes a while to get there though, it's only a small motor.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, but it's good for pottering around on.
Yeah, I bet. It does the job, doesn't it?
Yeah, indeed.
See you in a bit, dude.
See you later.
Is that electric?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
What is it like a 125 equivalent? Or?
Yeah, I would say it's half in a 50 and a 125. It's quite slow to get going because it's quite heavy. It's not a small motor, but once it gets going, 45 is the most I've had out of it. So it's not too shabby. It's just it doesn't have the instant oomph of a big electric bike, which I was quite disappointed about when I got it. But or even a petrol. Hey?
How long does it take to charge?
It's slow. It's a regular 3-pin, so about 6 hours. But yeah. Take care, man.